Most explanations of AI create more confusion than clarity. Machine learning algorithms trained on large language models using neural networks to process natural language and generate human-like responses based on pattern recognition across massive datasets. This is technically accurate. It's also completely useless for someone trying to understand what AI actually does. Here's the simple version. AI is software that processes information and generates output based on instructions you give it. You input a request, it produces a result. The complexity exists in how it works internally, but you don't need to understand internal mechanics to use it effectively. Consider, you don't understand how a car engine converts combustion into motion. You still drive. You don't understand how GPS satellites triangulate your position. You still use navigation. AI operates the same way. You don't need to understand transformer models or training data. You need to understand what it can do and how to ask for it. What AI currently does well: text generation. You describe what you want written, it writes it. You edit for accuracy and voice. This works for emails, scripts, outlines, and social media captions. Information synthesis. You provide multiple sources. It summarizes patterns and identifies connections you might miss. Brainstorming and ideation. You describe a problem. It generates multiple approaches. You select what resonates and refine. Structure and organization. You have scattered thoughts. It organizes into logical flow and suggests frameworks. Translation and simplification. You have complex information. It translates to simpler language or different reading levels. What AI currently does poorly: original creative insight. It synthesizes existing patterns. It doesn't create genuinely new frameworks or paradigm shifts. Emotional intelligence. It can simulate empathy through language. It doesn't actually understand human emotional context. Real-time information. Standard AI doesn't know what happened this morning. It knows patterns from training data, not current events. It doesn't know your specific situation or relationships. Understanding these boundaries removes the fear. AI isn't magic. It's not sentient. It's not coming for your job. It's a tool that processes language. That's it. The people who use this tool can produce work faster. The work still requires human judgment, editing, context, and decision-making, but the production speed changed. Someone creating content manually, 2 hours per piece. Someone using AI for first drafts, 20 minutes per piece. Same quality, different timeline. That timeline difference compounds over weeks, months, and years. The person using AI produces 10x the output in the same time. 10x output equals 10x testing, learning, and improvement. This creates asymmetric advantage, not because AI makes you smarter, because it removes the time barrier to iteration. Demystifying AI isn't about the tech, it's about the leverage. Learn the tool, remove the barrier, and build quietly.